Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. I was asked by one of my subscribers to talk about Fibonacci and how to use the Fibonacci retracements tool effectively on predicting the next market direction. Firstly, what's Fibonacci? What's Fibonacci retracement? Fibonacci retracement tool is a technical analysis tool used to predicting next possible level of support and resistance, and this Fibonacci tool works best in a trending market. What is a trending market? A trending market is a market that has a series of highs and lows. This series of highs and lows can be higher highs and higher lows, lower highs and lower lows. And this trending market can be identified on any time frame. You can identify the market trend on a higher time frame, like the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, and so on. And you can also identify the market trend on a lower time frame, like the 5-minute time frame, the 1-minute time frame, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, the 1 hour, and so on. So we got this downtrend. We got this trend on the 1 hour time frame on the Volatility 51S index. You can see this trend clearly on the 15-minute time frame. This is a downtrend market, a market creating series of lower highs and lower lows. Right, so where are these lower highs and lower lows? We got the first high. Let's identify the highs and lows we got on this index. We got the first high here, we got the high, the low at this point, the high, the low. Then we got another high, but a lower high. We can see that the current high is lower than the previous high, making it a lower high structure, a downtrend market structure. Right, so we got another high here, a lower high. We got another high here, a lower high as well, because we've seen the current high lower than the previous high, so it's a lower high structure, is a very structure. We got another high at this point, a lower high, another high here, a lower high. So this market is practically in a downtrend, and whenever the market is on a downtrend, look out for more of sell opportunities. Right, we got another low here, a lower low, the first low here, the second low, a lower low, right, third low, a lower low. So getting market create series of lower highs and lower lows gives the market a downward direction. We got another low at this point, which is the last low, a lower low. So on this downtrend, we should focus on the sell side of the market, and being able to identify our sell zones on this index, we have to spot our level of support and resistance inside of this downtrend, right? Our lows that got broken and retested for our possible sells. So where is our first low? We got our first low here. Let's extend this, and we can see that this low, basically this low was a level of support, right? All we have to do is identify our lows that got broken. So on the retest of those lows as a resistance, that's why we're looking for our sell opportunity. So we got a low here which price broke below, retested. You can see our price sold to the downside. So now that's where our Fibonacci retracement tool comes up. We use our Fibonacci retracement tool to confirm our possible retracement level, or our possible level of support and resistance. So how do we make use of this Fibonacci tool? Firstly, by selecting it, then placing it on the recent highs and lows. So where's the recent high? We got the recent high here, and we got the recent low at this point. These numbers here are called sequences. So we have two major retracement sequences or levels on our retracement, on our Fibonacci retracement tool. So one of those levels is the 50.0 level, and this is 1.8 level. That's the two major retracement level on the Fibonacci retracement tool. So when we match our Fibonacci tool from the swing highs to the swing lows, let's make sure that at least our buy or sell zone is matching up with the 50.0 level or the 61.8 level, and we can see clearly that this our identified sell zone, this level of support that got broken without resistance, is actually in line with our 50.0 level, but it didn't really get to our 61.8 level, which is the key retracement point. But 50.0 level is also considered as a good retracement point. So we got price test our 50.0 level, which is in line with our support level that got broken without resistance, the sells to downside. So someone looking for sell opportunities at this point, confirming this sell zone, we actually have confidence in taking the sells because the sell zone was confirmed using the Fibonacci retracement. So now let's look for our recent significant highs and lows. Let's clear Fibonacci 2 again. So we got our recent low here. Sorry, we got the recent we got our level of support that got broken here, and our recent highs at this zone. These are recent high. Our previous recent high was at this point. Now these are our next recent high, recent high. Right, so we got our recent low at this zone, because this low was now formed after price broke below this past low. Remember, we matched up our Fibonacci 2 firstly from these highs to these lows, Right now, price created a new high, created a new low, so you might have to match up our Fibonacci 2 from these highs again to this low. So here's our Fibonacci 2. We select it, place it on our recent highs and our recent lows. We can see that the 50.0 retracement level is in line with our sell zone, our level of support that got broken, now retested. So you can see how price did what sold to the downside. So this tool is used to confirm this level, this sell zone, right? So we can see how this Fibonacci 2 is very much effective. So here's our next highs and lows. We got our firstly our level of support here that got broken, our new level of support that got broken, and our recent highs at this zone. Now this retest we got here, which is the sell point, we now turn to our recent highs, recent high at this zone and recent low at this point, right? So bringing up our Fibonacci 2 again, matching it up from the recent highs to the recent lows, we can see our sell zone, which is at this point. You can see our price came to retest these lows, right? So this point our price came to retest it, matched up with the is in between the 50.0 level and the 61.8 level, which is a good retracement point. So you can see our price did what sold to the downside on the test of this level. Now here's our recent highs and lows. Our recent highs will definitely turn to be this one. This would be our recent highs. All right, let's clear this thing. This would be our recent highs here and our recent lows at this point, our recent low here. So let's mark up our level of support that got broken, turn resistance. Support got broken here, turn resistance. We got the retest here. So this points you got price retest on. Let's check if this is actually a good retracement point and a good sell zone. So bringing up our Fibonacci 2 again, from the swing highs to the swing lows, you can see that it's exactly on the 50.0 level. You can see here, let me zoom the chart. You can see that this sell zone, this sell point is in line with the 50.0 retracement point. So you can see how effective this retracement tool is. You can also apply this in an uptrend market. Let's check if we got any uptrend market to apply this as well. But in an uptrend market, we have to match up our Fibonacci 2 from the swing lows to the swing highs this time around. Looking for level of resistance that got broken, retested, now turned support for our buy opportunities, and matching up our Fibonacci 2 from the swing lows this time around to the swing highs to check our retracement zones, our support levels, if they're in line. Let's check if we got any accurate trending markets, any nice trading markets, uptrend market would say. Let's check. Okay, let's check a higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. Let's check. No nice uptrend market here. Okay, let's use this one. Let's use this market. Basically, this is not really a long uptrend, but let's make use of it. This market creating highs and lows. The first low here, the first high at this zone, right? The first low here, the first high, sorry, the second low there, right? The second high at that point. So these higher highs and higher lows. So this is an uptrend market practically. So let's check how effective this Fibonacci 2 is by identifying this level of resistance that got broken, now turned support. Let's check if price actually retested it. We didn't really get a good retest of this level, this support level, but let's see how it worked. So our recent highs are right? Swing highs to the swing lows. Swing highs to the swing lows. You can see that this, you can see our retracement points on the 61.8 level in line with this zone and the 50.0 level at this point. Price didn't get to any of this level, so this point price bought from is not really a good buy zone. So this is our rightful buy zone. This is 1.8 level, which is in line with our level of resistance that got broken. That should turn to a support level. That's why price didn't trend for a very long time. Price sold back to the downside. Let's actually look for a good trend, a good uptrend. So apply our Fibonacci 2. Okay, we can say that this is an uptrend. You can call this an uptrend basically. Got an uptrend at this point, and let's put this properly. Our trend resistance here and our trend support at this zone, an uptrend trend support here. So we can see price creates series of highs and lows, higher highs and higher lows. The first low there, the first high here would say the high at this zone. Let me clear this thing. Okay, the high here, first high there, the low, high low, and that high here, and that high would say at this point, and a low here, right? So this price creating series of higher highs and higher lows. Now let's identify our level of resistance that got broken, now turn support, and we have one of those levels here. This is a level of resistance because we've seen how price has sold on this level. Resistance. There was a break above it, retested. Remember, we are matching up our Fibonacci 2 from the recent significant highs and lows this time around because we're in an uptrend. So we're matching up our Fibonacci 2 from the swing lows, right, to the swing highs to check our retracement points, and we can see that matching up our Fibonacci 2 from the swing lows to the swing highs to check our retracement zone. This point price got to and bought to the upside. If it's a good buy zone, you can see that it's in line with the 61.8 level, which is a good retracement point. You can see how price tested this level, gave the rejection, the weak rejection from it, and gave the move to the upside. So let's check another level to see how effective this Fibonacci 2 is actually. So we got our next level of resistance here, and where's our recent swing highs and swing lows? So we got our recent swing low there and our recent swing high at this point. Now let's check this retracement that we got at this zone, if it's a good retracement zone, right? If it's a good retracement point. So bringing up our Fibonacci 2 again, matching it up from the swing lows to the swing highs, we can see that price, we tested our 50.0 level. Price tested on our 50.0 level, which is considered to be a good retracement point as well, and we got price give the rejections on it, gave the buy move to the upside, still came back to it again the second time, still bought to the upside. So that's this, guys. That's how effective and powerful the Fibonacci retracement 2 can be when used for confirmations of our support and resistance level or our buy and sell zones. So that's this, guys. Do well to hit the like button for more trade teachings like this and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support. Please engage in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have enough of it.